Hey everybody, it's Coach Hawkins. I'm going to walk you through really quickly how to use Canva. Canva is a super easy, super fun way that you can create some, very flashy and fun graphics for your documentary. You can use text, you can use images, all kinds of things that you can save as JPEGs or other picture files, PNGs, so that you can put them into your video presentation. So I'm going to show you that really, really quickly. First, you need to have a Canva account, and all you need to do is go to canva.com and create an account if you don't already have one. Through HEBISD, you naturally get the ability to use this for free, and pretty much everything that's on it is free to use. So use your HEBISD email if you don't have an account. If you do have a personal account, you can use that as well. So the login part, you take care of on your own. But once you get in, you'll see on the left there's a menu for your designs. And then there's several different sample things that you can use if you're not really sure where to start. So I'm going to just start with poster. Okay. Click on poster, and it's going to give me all kinds of different templates to choose from on the left hand side of my computer. And I can scroll for days and days and days through these different designs to get an idea of what I like, what I don't like. Or I can start from scratch with a blank white sheet like what you see, kind of like on a Word document. But for the sake of time, I'm just going to go ahead and click one document and go with it. So here's something fun and jazzy. When I find something I like, I'm just going to click it one time, and boom, it's going to appear over here on my right side. It's already got text there for me, it's got colors and all of that. Now, say I don't like the color scheme of all of this. Notice that everything that I'm scrolling over can highlight and change. So maybe I want to get a different color, maybe for the text. All I have to do is click on the text, and I can change the color by clicking that little text formatter. And now I can change the color to coral or purple, or if I want to make up a color that I want, so on and so forth. Okay. Maybe I want to change this text altogether to say something different, like the 1960s celebrities. Okay. And maybe I want to have a list now under here that will be all of the celebrities from that decade. Okay, so I can easily just fill in information just like that. Or I can go over here to my building bar and add things. You can click on your text, it's pretty self explanatory. You can click on preset different fonts, or you can just click on any of these simple ones and change the font here. Okay, same thing with the size or the color, you can change. If you want to add something to this to make it a little bit more jazzy or take something away, simply click on that icon and you can delete it and it's gone. Or if you want to add something like an image or an element, you can click elements and add in all kinds of different things. Maybe you want to add in something like 1960s. Let's see what happens when I type that in. Okay, it gives me glasses, like goggles, very like groovy. Okay. It gives me moving text that I can use. Okay. So maybe I start off with these glasses. Okay. And they're white, so I can change the color to be whatever I want. Let's make it purple. It's my favorite color, so there's that. Okay. And maybe I want another element. Maybe I want to do a lava lamp. It's more 70s, but why not? Okay, so I've got a lava lamp. I'm going to just drag it over here, and now I've got a lava lamp. Okay, maybe I also wanted to add like flowers. So I'm going to type in flower power because that's a very 60s phrase. Ooh, and now look what comes up. I've got all kinds of cool flower powery phrases that I can use. I have the little 60s buses that people used to ride around in. And now if I decide, hey, I don't really need this trim anymore, I want to go with what I'm starting to create on my own and build on my own, you can do that now. You can also position your objects to the front or back to make them go up to the front or back away from your text so that they're behind things and they can be covered up. Okay. And then finally, if you want to insert a photo, maybe there's a celebrity or a GIF even that you want to use, all I have to do is click on Uploads, and I can click Upload Media and pick something from my computer and upload it and download it or insert it directly. I use my Bitmojis all the time, so maybe I want to use my Bitmoji. I would just drag and drop the Bitmoji in if it's me talking about what's happening in that decade, or maybe I'm inserting a celebrity or a dancer or whatever the case, okay? When I'm done with what I am creating, I can then click on download. Oh, but first I want to name it. So I'm going to name it, I have it named 1960 Celebrities. That's fine. But if I want to name it something else, I can change that here. Now I'm ready to download. So I'm going to click the download button. And it's going to give me the option to do a PNG, which is suggested. But you might want to double check and make sure whatever video editing software you're using doesn't have preferences like JPEGs. So just be careful there. And then when I'm done choosing which type of file I'm going to make, I'm going to click download. And then boom, it's creating for me right now an image that I have downloaded to my computer, and I just saved it, and so now I can insert it into my video. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So you can use Canva to create all kinds of different graphics and images to jazz up your video and make it your own. Happy creating.